Florida insurance companies are dropping policies left and right. And in most cases, they won't even give you coverage without a 4-point inspection. If you're buying a home or renewing your policy, this one inspection could be the difference between getting insured or getting denied. Hey, I'm Inspector Q with ProInspect Solutions. We help Florida homeowners and buyers navigate the inspection process so you can protect your family, your home, and your wallet. Today, I'll walk you through what a 4-point inspection is, why insurance companies are required, and how you can pass with confidence. Here's what we'll cover. The 4 systems we inspect, the red flags insurers worry about, and what the process looks like, and what happens if you fail. So what is a 4-point inspection? I'm glad you asked. A 4-point inspection focuses on the main 4 components of your home: roof, electrical, plumbing, and AC. Unlike a full home inspection, this isn't about every detail of the house. It zeroes in on the systems most likely to cause costly insurance claims. In Florida, it's required for most homes that are 30 years of age or older because insurers want proof your home isn't a high risk. Depending on your carrier, a 4-point inspection report is usually valid for 6 months. The roof is always first because roof failures cause some of the biggest hurricane insurance claims in Florida. Insurers look at the material, modern coverings like architectural shingles, metal, or tile. Age, roofs under 15 to 20 years of old are ideal. Condition, no missing shingles, sagging, or leaks. Here's some red flags. Old 3-tab shingles, especially over 15 years of life. Multiple roof layers, a sign of shortcuts by some amateur roofers. Any visible leaks or water stains. In many cases, an old or damaged roof alone can disqualify you from coverage. The next is the electrical system, one of the leading causes of house fires in Florida. Insurers love to see updated breaker panels, copper wiring because they're safe and reliable, GFCI outlets in kitchens, bathrooms, and exterior areas. Here's some deal breakers. Federal Pacific or Zinsco panels are both known for fire hazards. Aluminum wiring and knob and tube wiring. If they also see DIY or unpermitted wiring jobs, this is also not the best as well. Outdated electrical, insurers will not write policies for wiring of that nature. Plumbing system. Water damage claims are extremely expensive, so plumbing is a big concern. Here are some preferred systems: copper or PEX piping. They don't like to see any signs of visible leaks, corrosion, or water stains. Red flags. Polybutylene piping, commonly installed in homes between 1978 and 1995, are known to fail. Next is galvanized steel pipes, which corrode over time from the inside. Any sign of active leaks or water damage, insurance companies, not too best want to deal with that. So replacing polybutylene pipes with PEX is one of the top ways you can get coverage, especially on older homes. Next is your HVAC system. Your heating and cooling system matters because most insurers want to ensure that your home is livable year-round and safe. So what do they check for? They look for the age, ideally under 20 years of age, the condition, make sure that it has no leaks, rust, or obvious damage, and proper installation and maintenance. So here's some of the red flags. Malfunctioning units. Evidence of neglect like dirty coils or disconnected ductwork. An old failing system can be flagged as a risk because it may lead to mold growth or expensive emergency repairs. Let's talk about the inspection process. So how does it work? A 4-point inspection is a straightforward inspection. We spend about roughly 1 to 1.5 hours inspecting and photographing the 4 systems, documenting their age, condition, and safety. It's a visual inspection only. We don't cut into walls or ceilings. We take a clear photos and notes, and you'll get a professional report within 24 hours, which you can submit directly to your insurance company. Failing doesn't mean you can't get insurance. It just means issues need to be fixed first. So let's talk about the common fixes and what they include. They include items like roof repairs or roof replacement, upgrading old electrical panels, replacing outdated pipes, servicing or replacing the HVAC system. In most cases, once you make the repair, you can get re-inspected and approved for insurance. A 4-point inspection isn't just another hoop to jump through. It's your roadmap to affordable, reliable insurance. By understanding what insurers look for, you can make smart upgrades, avoid surprises, and secure better rates. Click the link in the description to book your 4-point inspection with ProInspect Solutions. We'll deliver a detailed insurance-approved report and walk you through exactly what needs attention. And don't forget to download our free 4-point inspection checklist in the description below to prep your home and breeze through your next inspection. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more inside tips on home inspections and insurance savings. See you on the next video.